Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I'm having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and to enter, you just subscribe and leave a respectful comment. And a shout out to Helen. Olives I. If that is wrong, please tell me how to say it correctly. Lynn, Maybelline, and Christine. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, so we made this very pretty junk journal paper that we are going to put in our envelope here to match our giveaway journal, which is these colors that we're working with. So I would like to take this video and go ahead and decorate this envelope that we are going to put that paper in. So I'm going to go ahead and get my matte gel. It's acrylic medium, and I'm looking for my paintbrush. Oh my goodness, where's my paintbrush? Okay, I've got my paintbrush. I've got some pieces of napkin that I thought would be very pretty with this, and also very pretty with this paper. I think that goes nicely. So I would like to figure out where I want to put this stuff and get it on. So I hope that barking dog, I don't know if you can hear it or not. I've noticed that I hear the barking dog more than y'all do when I replay the videos and listen to it. So I'm hoping that this video isn't picking up Ellie, who's outside barking at this fella that has driven his truck next door. We live next door to a church, and he's over there at the church, and she's saying he's not supposed to be there, so she's barking at him. Okay. There's no telling her to be quiet. She'll just keep doing it. So until he leaves, he needs to leave. I don't know what he's doing over there. It's none of my business. Okay. So we are applying our beautiful napkin to our envelope. And I'm not going to use gesso on this project because I did not use any gesso in the writing paper that is going to go along with this envelope, so that they match. They go together a little more. That's what I would like. I'd like it to flow together a little better. I'm not real sure where I want to put this. I'm not even sure if I want it there or not. Let us see. It's hard to turn it over and work on this side when it's so wet, but I don't want to use the one I want on the front accidentally on the back here. So I'm just trying to decide which one I want. There, I think I want that one there, so I'm not going to use that one for the front. I'll put that aside. And let's see, what else do I want on here? I'm kind of feeling like I want something else, but I don't know what. Maybe just a tiny bit here? I don't know. Sometimes you just move it around, it will say, ooh, that's it. Oh, goodness gracious. I guess I don't like that. I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut this dark green off here. I think that's what's bothering me about this, is this dark green. I don't think I like that on there. So let's see if that helps. Kind of does. I think I need to take all of this off. I think this is bothering me as well. Now let's see, how is that looking? Yeah, I like that much better. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this piece of the napkin on. Yes. So I have been recording in advance the last couple of days, not just making one video and then stopping. I've been making a couple videos. That way, in case something comes up, I still can download and not miss a day, but yet be able to, oh, like, you know, things like clean your house. Oh, yeah, I could craft all day. Who needs a clean house? I do. I need a clean house. Okay, I'm going to dry this real quick, and then I'm going to do the back side. All right, everyone, I've got them dry. Well, fairly dry, enough to just keep working. Oh, I think this is looking beautiful. All right, now we said that we would like to put this one, I think it was this one, right here. This is what I think we would like, and I think I'd like to turn it like that. Yes, I still like that a lot. Go ahead and open this up again. Okay, I'll take that little piece off. I'm going to open this up, kind of see where it is, and lay a little bit of this down. We're still getting more weather warnings about the ice that's coming and snow. So I'm just going to hang out at the house for the next little bit. Tomorrow isn't supposed to be bad at all, but it starts Monday afternoon. Good thing it's a holiday and people aren't going to be really out too much. Hopefully, I don't know. They may, but hopefully we won't have any problems with people getting hurt being out driving around in it. Okay, I think that's very beautiful. Now, do we want something else on here as well? I'm just looking to see what would maybe look lovely. That's kind of nice going down like that. No, don't care for that. Oh, I do like that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna, whoa, I can't really open that up. Okay, we're just gonna get this on here. And let's see here. I don't think there's any under this right here. So we'll get some on here. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, don't get stuck down. It's a little too much. I don't want a whole lot on here. Just enough to hold this down. Get a little coating on the top. It's so very chilly outside. I think I'm going to make chicken noodle soup tonight. I think that sounds very yummy. Very yummy. Okay, guys, I'm going to dry this real quick and then we will continue. All right, everyone, I've got it dry enough to continue working. We need to go ahead and let's stuck to my finger. Trim the excess off. So let's do that. Let me shut my door. Hopefully that muffles it enough. And let's go ahead and there we are. A little bit off here as well. There we go. Now, push that out of the way. So this is going to just be absolutely gorgeous with this. I think what we need to do next is we're going to need to get our Gathered Twigs Distressed Tim Holtz ink, and we're going to need to do the edge just a little bit around. Alrighty, so I've got that all inked, and I think we need to go ahead and do our book page. We used the black words for our paper, so I think we ought to just go ahead and keep that theme going. I am going to just go ahead and stamp it on here. Oh my goodness, does that not look gorgeous? So gorgeous. Okay, and once again, this is the Stampabilities, and it's just those words that I have. You can't really see what they say. They're garbly, but they sure are pretty. Don't know what they're saying, but they're sure pretty. Oh my, so nice. Alrighty, I've got that taken care of. And then what we also did to our paper, so because we're making them match, so there'll be a matching little set, we took this Hero Arts and this florally, I don't know, swirly, the swirly whirly stamp, and we used the Gathered Twigs with this one. The words are black, but the Gathered Twigs we used for the swirly part. Oh my, isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, so pretty. It's going to be beautiful in this journal. Absolutely beautiful. Oh goodness gracious. Guys, I'm excited about this journal. I really am. It's going to be colorful, you know. I have to work on that, and I thought, you know what, a better way to work on it than making the journal colorful and working through the color issues. And so that is exactly what we're going to do. And I already absolutely love it. Look, there's the back. Let me get this closer so you can see. And then here's the front. What a beautiful, beautiful set. Okay, guys, I'm not sure if we even want to put anything else on there. It might just, it might be enough just to say that's enough, but I do have some of these things that I went and got some things just to see. I'm just not sure that we want anything, but let's look. Let's just take a gander. I just don't. I don't see anything that's going to make this any better, except for possibly some kind of closure. So maybe we could use something for a closure. Maybe on the back. I'm not sure. Let me go through my buttons real quick and see what I can find. Be just a second.